Have you ever wondered how people actually make money from stocks? Maybe you've heard stories of someone turning a few $100 into thousands, or even becoming a millionaire. But how does that really happen? In this video, I'm going to explain it in simple, no-nonsense language, no confusing terms, no financial mumbo-jumbo. Let's break it down. Part 1. What is a stock? Alright, first things first. A stock is basically a small piece of a company. When you buy a stock, you're buying a slice of that business. Think of it like owning a piece of a giant pizza, except the pizza is a company like Apple, Netflix, or Nike. If the company grows and becomes more valuable, so does your little slice. So how do you make money? There are two main ways. Part 2, way number 1, capital gains. First up, capital gains. That's just a fancy way of saying your stock goes up in price. Let's say you buy one share of a company for $100. A year later, the company is doing great, and the price goes up to $150. If you sell that share, you made $50 profit. That's a capital gain. But here's the thing, stock prices don't just go up. They can go down too. That's the risk. However, if you pick strong companies and hold on to them for years, your chances of growth go way up. That's how a lot of people build wealth, slow and steady. Part 3, way 2, dividends. Now let's talk about dividends, the second way to make money. Some companies share a piece of their profits with you, just for being a shareholder. That's called a dividend. Think of it like a thank you check. For example, if a company pays $1 per share each year, and you own 100 shares, you get $100 every year, no matter what the stock price does. And if you reinvest those dividends to buy more stock, your earnings grow even faster. Not every company pays dividends though. Tech giants like Amazon or Tesla usually don't. They put their profits back into growing the business. Part 4, bonus, compound growth. Here's a bonus tip. Reinvesting your profits leads to compound growth. This is where the magic happens. It's like a snowball rolling downhill. Your money earns money, and then that money earns even more money. Over time, small investments can turn into something big, just by staying invested and reinvesting your gains. It's not flashy, but it works. Part 5, quick tips for beginners, 5 to 6:30. Let's wrap it up with a few quick tips to help you get started. Start small, you don't need a lot. Even $10 is a great start. Think long term, the stock market can be bumpy, but over time, it usually grows. Diversify, don't put all your eggs in one basket. Spread your money across different companies or use an ETF. Do your research, know what you're investing in. Be consistent, invest a little each month. Treat it like a habit. You don't need to.
So, how do people make money from stocks? 1. When the stock price goes up, capital gains. 2. When the company pays you dividends. Invest smart. Stay patient. And let time do the heavy lifting. If this video helped you out, hit that like button, share it with a friend, and don't forget to subscribe for more easy finance tips. See you in the next one.